How to find top accounts for a specific product. To find top accounts for a specific product, first go to the product search on the top of your screen. You can type in a product name, but you can also type in part of the description. If you type in part of the description of the product, you'll have all the products that have to do with what you type in. So in this case, I typed in Wiser for all Wiser's products. Note that all the products that are showing up are the products from the biggest seller to the smallest seller. Now, if I wanted to know what the top accounts are for GP Wires' Deluxe 1.75, I just have to click on top stores for that specific product. Once I clicked on top stores, a new tab will open up and I'll have access to the top accounts for that specific product. So the product name will be written on the top of your screen as well as in the middle. Make sure that your account type is the correct one. You can normally look for all of the accounts across Canada. Licensees are available, of course, in the provinces where we have access to the data. And for BC, for example, you'll also have access to the LRS channel under account type for your own specific products. Now, the other important thing that you must take note of is that in the column section, you also have access to store inventory. This is available in BC for the GLS stores, Ontario and Quebec, as well as New Brunswick and Nova Scotia. There is also the status that can be checked off. This only applies to Ontario and Quebec. Once you've selected the columns that you want, simply refresh the data and you'll have access to those information. The other neat thing that you can do on this tab is that you can filter different options. So for example, if I wanted to know all the accounts that are only in Mississauga, I can type it Mississauga, and only the accounts for Mississauga will pop up. So you can basically type in anything in any of the titles on your sheet. The other neat thing is you can also filter. So if you actually click on the funnel, you can pick and choose several cities, for example. Click OK, and then you'll only have the accounts for those cities. The other neat thing is too, if you want to create a rule, then you can click on any of the magnifying glasses and you can create a rule. So equals, does not equal, less than, greater than, etc. In this case, let's look at all the accounts that are less than 0 to see all the accounts that are trending negatively. And you'll have all the accounts that are trending negatively. For the provinces where we actually do have inventory, this can be very practical. You can click again on the magnifying glass and basically less than 10. So these would be all the accounts that have less than 10 bottles of daily inventory. Note that the store inventory is always taken the night prior, so in the middle of the night. So if we are Monday, for example, today is going to be the inventory at the end of the day on Sunday. So this basically recaps how you can find the top accounts for a specific product. Thank you.